What would you advise for people who are already full time? Let's say, hey, the next 6 months, the next year, make sure you have this on point. You're doing this, just in case something happen. At least you have, a little bit of security.
Yeah, I would suggest, right? I mean, we're talking about people working in the tech industry, right? If you work in the tech industry, chances are your salary compensation is pretty comfortable, right?
Hmm.
Chances are you're going to earn like either close or better than a six-figure salary.
Hmm.
So it's very important to save your money, right?
Hmm.
It used to be that there was an opinion that, hey, you have a 6 months emergency fund. I'll cover
Hmm.
6 months of your expenses and that's enough. It
Hmm.
seems to me now that the length of time that
Hmm.
tech people spend looking for a new job has
Hmm.
increased way beyond 6 months. I think it's more than twice that. So, in my opinion, a big thing you can do right now, if you still have a job, is to increase your savings rate and build up that emergency fund, right? Now, another thing, and by the way, MD, I'm obviously not a financial advisor, right? So I
Hmm.
can't really give, and I'm really not qualified to give any sort of investment advice. But what I will say is this. If you do have extra money beyond your emergency fund, you should research and talk to investors or people with investment knowledge and seek to invest that money. And the outcome of that investment is you want your money to actually be working and generating additional money. And what that would then happen is if you had that, then it's almost like you're building kind of like this nest egg and you're kind of diversifying the set of income streams that you should get. The point is, while you still have this job, you should try to diversify the income that you're receiving away from this one job. If all your income comes from this one job and it gets cut, then you're very much in trouble. You're cooked,
Right,
right?
right.
But
Gotcha.
imagine if you're because of your investments, right? Or other things that you're doing, like side hustles or side businesses or something, you have multiple independent streams of income, then having the main job get cut becomes much less of an emergency, even if it does happen.